Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete Telegram call history. Before get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go to delete individual Telegram call entire. So you can open your Telegram settings. So unlike on my previous video, I've shown you how to check the Telegram call history, but now what if you want to delete it? It's very simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Telegram. Now you can go to the log call list, tap on the upper right corner the three lines over here. There is an option calls, you can just tap on that. So here's all your call history on Telegram. If you want to delete one of them, you can just tap and hold on the call history that you want to delete. You can tap on the upper right corner on the trash icon in here and tap on delete. Again, you can also delete for everyone, not only for you, like this. Or if you have too many Telegram call history and want to delete all your call history at once, you can just tap on the upper right corner, the three dots over here. Choose on delete all calls. You can choose if you want to do it for everyone or only for you. Now tap on delete. It's very simple, right? So that is how to delete Telegram call history. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.